right, here we go. Continuing with lesson 4. We are now on learn 4, creating headers and footers. I'm going to click on practice because I've already done this once. You will click on learn. Anytime you want to redo any part of any lesson, you'll just click on the practice. That's going to open up Jasper Active, and it's also going to open up our Microsoft Word document. Just be patient. I'm going to unmark that as answered. Again, that is just for your record keeping. It will not affect whether you get an answer right or wrong. And our first step here, the only direction that we have, says with the new adventures approved document open, which this document is called the new adventures approved. So with that document open, click the insert tab. So normally we've worked with the file tab and the home tab. We just worked with the layout tab. Now we're working with the insert tab. So on the Insert tab in the Header and Footer group, which is right here, Header and Footer, we've got Header and Footer group, Text, we've got an emoji group, Media, Content. In the Header and Footer group, we're going to click Footer, and then click the blank 3 columns option. So this one right here. I can click on this picture to make sure that mine looks like Jasper Active, and it does look the same. And it's telling me that I can enter the items for the footer by clicking in the Type Here field. So I'm going to click in the first Type Here field. Right there. It should be selected. And I'm going to type New Adventures. Now, of course, you can copy and paste if you prefer. Then I'm going to click in the second Type Here field and press Delete. So I'm actually going to press the Delete button. It should say Delete or DEL. Backspace is different. You're not going to press backspace, you're going to actually press delete. That's going to take that information out of there. Then in the last Type Here field, it says click the Header Footer tab, then click page number. So I am in the Header Footer tab, which I can see now that I've got my header and footer open. And I'm going to point to, click in the Header Footer tab, click page number in the Header Footer tab. Right here is my header footer tab, header footer group of my header footer tab. And I'm going to click page number and point to current position and click on accent bar 2 down here at the bottom. There we go. Now it says on the design tab and in the close group, click close header and footer. The design tab here is not what they are talking about. It is specifically just this header and footer tab, and I'm not sure why they worded it this way, but I hope it doesn't throw you off. All you need to do, if you can't see it, you're going to click on the header footer tab, which you should be able to, just like any other tab up here. Once you've got your header and footer open, like I can see this now, I can click on the header and footer tab. And then I'm going to click Close Header Footer. So that's right here. That's going to close my header and footer. I can mark as answered and submit.